This video we will learn how to apply the Fourier transform or the fast Fourier transform on any signal. So first of all, for any signal we must have to declare a variable, that is a, which actually represents the magnitude of the signal. Then an assign operator is equal to 10. So here we can say that the magnitude of our signal is 10. Then we will come towards the time variable. We can write any variable here for time, but we have written t is equal to 1 colon 0.1 colon 10. What's the meaning of it? It goes from 1 to 10 with a step size of 0.1. So all the values will come and store in the variable t. In the third line, we are making or we are drawing a sine signal, or you can say that the plotting of sine signal, that is a multiplied by sine 2 pi fc multiplied by t. So tfx is equal to a multiplied with sine of 2 multiplied by pi multiplied by 2 multiplied by t. All the values of the sine signal are then stored into the variable tfx. Then plot of tfx means the sine signal is being plotted on the graph. After it, we have a command, that is pause of 3. Pause of 3 simply means a delay of 3 seconds between the execution of the above command and below command. So ft_1 is equal to fft of tfx comma 1024, means we are taking 1024 samples on from tfx signals, applying fast Fourier transform, and then storing all this in ft_1. Then abs means in order to take the magnitude of tf_1, after taking the magnitude of ft_1, we will plot this signal. So in order to run this, just press the run button and we will see sine signal and then the Fourier transform of the sine signal. So it's enough for today. Thanks for watching.